Modern cars are becoming more than just a transportation device, especially with technology allowing more integration of features just like installing apps on a smartphone. So it is obvious that tech companies have set their eyes on the car industry. One of the first movers to this segment is Sony with their Vision S01 sedan. Now they dip their feet into the most lucrative body style with the Vision S02 SUV concept. The design of the Vision S02 is a lifted version of what you get with the sedan. The crossover is substantially sized, measuring 4.9 meters long and riding on 20-inch wheels. Powering the SUV concept are two electric motors. They are mounted on either axle, making it an all-wheel drive. Their individual output is 268 horsepower, each. Though the acceleration figures are not revealed, it may be slightly higher than the sedan's 0 to 100 sprint time of 4.8 seconds due to the additional bulk. The Vision S02 SUV shares the air suspension of the sedan, albeit with tweaks to accommodate the added heft. The tech inside the 02 SUV is not confirmed yet, but this being a Sony, expect it to be filled to the brim. To have an idea of what you can expect, the Vision S01 sedan is a good reference. Sony has been denying rumors regarding their EV market entry ever since the 01 was revealed. But now, they have flipped the card, intending to build a new company. This year, they plan to set up Sony Mobility to play their game in the hotly contested EV market.